So in this video I'm going to show you how to check the oil in your 2007-2014 Ford Expedition. If you have the 5.4 motor in it and it's between the 7 and the 2014, the procedure should be the same. The oil stick should be in the same location. It's pretty easy to do, but if you're not familiar with how to do it, I'll show you how to do it in this video. But before I begin, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Let's get cracking. So the first thing you're going to need to do is come over to the passenger side, and you're going to have to pop the hood. So the hood release is right here. Just pull the handle. You should be able to go right over the front of the truck. The hood release latch is right under here. So you got to move it to the side, go up. So the location for the dipstick tube is on the driver's side near the firewall, and you'll see it right here. All you need to do is grab it and pull the dipstick up and out of the tube. So when you check the oil level, make sure that the vehicle is on a level ground, and get yourself an old rag, and there's going to be a little bit of oil on the dipstick. Take your rag, wipe the oil off of it. So you're going to put this back in the dipstick tube, and you want the oil level to be between these two holes right here. There's like a cross hatched section, and between these two marks, those two holes right there is where the safe oil level should be. So let's put it back in the dipstick tube. We'll pull it back out and check it again. Just come over right here. Slide the dipstick in. Let it bottom out. Pull it back out. And let's see what we get for a reading. So I just changed the oil in this not too long ago, and you can see that the oil level is right up to there. It's near the top of the marking. So it's good. They should be all set. If it's like down near the middle or at the bottom of the cross-hatched section, it's where that lower that lower hole is. You may want to add a little bit to it. Add a little at a time to bring the oil level up. Don't dump a whole quart in there. You might want to put like a quarter of a quart or like a half a quart to bring it up slowly. It's easier to add a little more than to try to take some out. You don't want to overfill it either. So if you're low on oil, the oil, if you have the 5.4 motor in it, the oil fill is on the passenger side right here. So just get yourself like a clean funnel, like this one right here. Wipe the inside, make sure it's clean. Take the cap off. Obviously, you put this in the tube, and then you can top it off. You can bring that oil level up. Just add a little bit to it at a time. Keep checking it, and make sure it's filled properly. You don't want to be low on oil, and you don't want to be overfilled either. But like I said, between those two markings on the dipstick, you should be good. So it's pretty easy to check your oil on this truck. I also have a video that shows you how to do an oil change on it, and I'll throw a link in this video to it so you can check that out as well. If you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. It would help out a lot, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great stuff coming out. Thanks for watching.